Look what I got. I got a mystery jewelry bag from the Goodwill. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Alright, y'all. So we're going to unbox this. This bag was 20 bucks, okay? I got it like half price. Okay. Alright, we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so let's see. This may be a long video, y'all. Okay, so look. So we got this thing here, this necklace thing. Hold on. Alright, see that? So for me, junk jewelry like this, I actually use this in my art. I'm an artist, a mixed media artist, and and I'm a jewelry designer as well. So I take stuff like this apart and I remake it or put it in my art or remake the jewelry or make assemblage jewelry. So that's why I get these. I'm starting to get these bags. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do with that. Or the stuff I can't remake, I'll probably sell or give it away, you know. So looks like these are bracelets, little mini bracelets. Let's see. Alright, let's open this. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. Let's see. Oh, God. Okay, so I'll just take a couple out so we can see that. So these look like little bracelets for kids. So that's cute. I got like 3 more in there. Alright. So let's put this in here. Honestly, this bag wasn't that great, but for 20 bucks, I could definitely use it. And there's several pieces I can probably use for some art projects I want to do. So let's see. So this came in there. This little necklace thing here. Alright, why is it in the plastic? I don't even know. Alright, so there's that. So look, it's kind of cute, right? Alright, so then we got a headband thing here, which I would probably deconstruct that. Or I would add something else to it, you know, and use it for whatever, right? This one, it says mood jewelry. Okay, so look at this. This is just like cheap little junk jewelry. But, you know, little stuff like this is fun to pull apart. These look like little hair ties. More hair ties. A lot of it is in plastic, you know. So, yeah. So, this is kind of fun. You get 2 there. Alright. Oh, these are cute. I don't know if I'd wear these, but they're funky. You know, kind of funky. I'm a hoop girl, so I don't know about these. But they're pretty. You know, very pretty. Let's take them out of the package here. Sorry, y'all. All this stuff is in packages, and I wanted to open it with you. Okay, so those are kind of pretty. Most of it I will keep. Like I said, like this is a man's bracelet. I'll see if my husband wants that. You know, I actually have some bracelets like this. Oh, it's like a lock bracelet. Look at that, it locks. So I'll see if he wants that. So I might have a pile to use for art and a pile to keep for whatever. Oh, here's some like beaded bracelets. These are cute. Let's see. Now, these beads are plastic, so I'll probably just leave them, you know, like that. Leave them like that, because, you know, yeah, just plastic beads, okay? So we got that. Let's throw this packaging away, y'all. Too much stuff, okay? So look, check this out. I love this one. Look at that. Oh, my God. Now, I ain't wearing this, but I will definitely put it probably on my mannequin. I got a couple of mannequins in my room, or I have an idea to use this, okay? So that's really pretty. That's what it looks like. It's like a choker, I guess. It's like, is it stretchy? Yeah, it is. So that'll be perfect for what I need it for, okay? So that's super cute. Love that. Got another headband thing. All right. Kind of hideous. This is cool. I'll see if my husband wants this. This is blue, actually. I'll see if he wants this. Alright, man's bracelet, or I guess unisex. Yeah, doesn't matter. Let me see. Oh, here, I'll put this over here. So most of the stuff I'm keeping, y'all. Yeah. Okay. Got a little thing of crystals. So look at that. I actually use these. I want these Swarovski crystals. They may not be, but I have a lot of these. So this is a good find for that. Got more hair clips. Okay. Y'all, I'm starting to get hot. And all this hair. Get hot. These are funky. Let's see. These are like some type of earrings. These are pretty, though. I wouldn't wear these, but they're gorgeous. Right? They're so gorgeous. like at a wedding or something. So pretty. Aren't they pretty? Pretty, pretty. I can deconstruct those. Look at that. A pin. I love that. Okay. And side note, if you ever want to keep your junk jewelry or jewelry from tarnishing, get yourself a can of acrylic clear spray. It's like a sealer, and you spray it on, you let it dry, it'll last forever. All right, so I may have to do part 2 to this, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna get through it real quick. This is like a little headband thing. Okay, this is, I don't know what that is, but we might be able to use the charm. Okay, a lot of this stuff is in bags, y'all, which is so bizarre. Hold on, wait, let me see here. I'm sorry, I'll just rip it open. This is cute. Oh, this is cute. See, stuff like this. You can spray stuff like this with acrylic spray, right? You let it dry. I would spray it outside, and then you can either wear it or whatever. This is cute. I might keep this. I might keep this for me. That's pretty cute. Oh, I like that. I didn't even see that one. Oh, look at this one. This is cute. Is this the same? Oh, they're different colors. Oh, that's just cute. Yeah. All right. Hold on. That's really cute. Hold on. Let's see here, y'all. Oh, these are, yeah, they're similar. Hold on. I'm throwing stuff everywhere. Throwing stuff at myself. Put that on the floor. But look at this. This is pretty. It's like a, look at that. It's like a little snake. That's pretty. Ooh, so you get two really pretty necklaces. Those are pretty. Wow. I like those. All right. I'm not a big necklace girly, but I like that. That's pretty. I look cute what I got on today. Let's see, y'all. We'll see. Hold on. Got a fluff here. Let's see. This one. Some kind of bracelet. Sorry about all the crinkling. So it's this kind of bracelet. I don't know. Maybe hematite. Maybe is it hematite? I don't know. It says sun jewelry, but yeah. So that's what that is. Okay. So all right. Got a bunch of pile of stuff over here. Oh, look at these. These are funky. Okay. Let's see if we can get through this. Maybe able to get. Oh, it's broken, but that's okay. This came off of here, but I would never wear these, but they're super cute, so I would just use this stuff, you know, take it apart, either make some other types of jewelry or use it in my art, you know? So that's in that pile. All right, did we see these? Oh, I don't think we saw these. This is like the black version of those purple ones we saw. Hold on, let me see. That's cute. So yeah, this bag was $20. It was half price at the Goodwill. Alright, you know, they had some nicer, well, before, a couple weeks ago, they had some nicer bags, but they were pricey. I'm like, Goodwill is not a Goodwill, really? You know, $100 for a whole bag of junk? I don't think so, right? So, 20 bucks is more my speed. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, those are kind of pretty. See, I would remake these. I wouldn't wear these, but I would definitely, use these, like, for something. Okay, so we like those. Nice little dangle earrings. So here's the purple ones we saw. And those are black ones. So, yeah, those are kind of cute. All right, so we have that. Oh, you know what? Let's put it in this pile. Let's put it in the pile of stuff we plan on keeping. This is like a bow necklace, I guess. So there's that. Okay, headband, which I'm never going to wear. Got these little tangle up necklaces here. So see that? That's actually 2 necklaces here. Again, I will spray this with acrylic spray. You know, if I was going to wear it or put it on my art project. I have this pin and a couple more things, and y'all, that's it. Okay, so we got these in there. Funky. Got these earrings. I would pull these apart, put them on stuff. And this one, I'm missing one. They didn't put the other one in there, although that's cute, though. That's cute. That'll be cute. But it's missing one. More hair ties. And a ring. Alright? Which, yeah. I can make that. That looked like a little kid's ring. Alright? Alright, so that's it for the haul. Alright? Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next one.